Roaring Kitty roared back this morning. He tried last week to roar back, and people said, what is he saying? Is he saying buy Dogecoin? Because he put a dog on his for his meme. Nope, it was Chewy. And Chewy popped 30% last week and then sold off. And then coming in this morning, Pete, it was up 15% and then sold off, along with GameStop, because apparently he's not doing much with GameStop right now either. So the fact that Roaring Kitty giveth and Roaring Kitty taketh away, that's Keith Gill, of course. He has a 6.6% stake in Chewy. And today that can't feel so good, Pete, with Chewy trading to the downside hard after a 12% rally in the pre.
Obviously, short squeezes are a big part of this whole thing. Ryan Cohen is a big part of this whole thing. There's a lot of different little things that are influencing things. To your point, substantial stake though, 6.6%. That's a real number. That's 9 million shares of Chewy that we're talking about for the Roaring Kitty. So he's definitely been staring at this one. Now, last week it did get up to that $39 level. It's a far cry from that now, but it'll be very interesting to see. Can this thing get squeezed again, or maybe not? Maybe he's starting to lose a little bit of his of the reaction that we've been seeing, John, because of the fact that it hasn't been sustainable, and maybe that's been hanging a lot of the folks that are following him out, and that could be something very negative going forward. Roaring Kitty, he strikes, but it didn't last very long today.
In the pre-market, it was north of $34 again. And right now it's 25-ish, Pete, down about 6% on the day. That ain't good for anybody that followed him into that stock.